Wondering about wonder. Mastering reported speech in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're delving into the wonderful world of reported speech, specifically focusing on reporting WH questions. One versatile verb that can help you out in this process is wonder. So, if you're wondering about how to use wonder in reported speech, this video is just for you. In direct speech, we often use WH questions: who, what, when, where, why, and how, to ask for information. When we want to report these questions in indirect speech, we can use the verb wonder. This makes our reported speech more polite and less direct. Here's a quick example. Direct speech: where is the train station? Reported speech: she wondered where the train station was. Note the changes in the sentence structure. In reported speech, the subject-verb-object order changes to subject-object-verb after the word wonder. 1. Wonder is always followed by a clause. After wonder, we don't use a question mark because it's not a question itself, but a statement expressing a question. 2. Changes in verb tenses. Usually, when changing direct speech into reported speech, we shift the tenses back. For example, is becomes was, am becomes was, are becomes were, etc. 3. Order of words. Unlike direct questions, reported questions don't invert the subject and the auxiliary verb. To make sure you've got the hang of it, let's go over a few more examples. Direct speech: what time is it? Reported speech: he wondered what time it was. Direct speech: who is at the door? Reported speech: she wondered who was at the door. Direct speech: why is the sky blue? Reported speech: the child wondered why the sky was blue. Remember, the verb wonder creates a more polite and direct way of reporting a question. It's particularly handy in formal writing or conversation. And there you have it, folks. That's how we use the verb wonder in reported speech. Remember, it's a great way to convey the essence of a question without directly asking it. Keep practicing these examples, and soon you'll be a pro at using wonder in reported speech. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning and keep wondering.